How to tell BotNira about your business. After the login, every user can find the overview screen, as you are seeing now. You can check this screen from the left side menu overview too. On this screen, you find a blue color box called Next Steps. In this, we need to select the first option called Paste your business description and FAQs. You can also do the same from the blue button on the top right corner, to train your bot. By clicking, you reached on the next screen called Bot Studio. On the screen, you first need to enter your bot name, like John, so that when any of your customer do a message or makes a call, she will be answered by John. Second thing is greeting. This will be the first message for your customers. Tone will be used for the voice tone, like friendly, loud, and professional. Then the main part is business description. The information put under this part is used by the BotNira to process and answer the customer. Here you can put your business name, business details, what you provide, plans, pricing, and all the questions what you want to deliver to the customer or what your client can ask from BotNira. All this part needs to be done in simple language, as simple as you can. No hard code rule is here to train your bot. Just deliver the information as you deliver to your client. Then the next option is a fallback message, which is used when BotNira can deliver the chat to a human agent. Then we need to hit the Save Changes on top. The next section is FAQs. This section is not mandatory, but it must be if you want to deliver the same static answer for some specific questions. You can save the questions and their answers here. Boom, your bot is ready and live now. You have the live preview section on the right side. You can test your bot here. If you have more questions, visit www.botnira.com and ask there. BotNira.com is the official product of the DG Sparrow.